Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the parking brake is located on this 2023 Chevy Silverado 1500. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Really helps out a lot. So if you park on a hill like this is, and you hop in your vehicle and go to drive away, you will automatically release the parking brake, just like that. However, if you want to release it before you start driving, right here is where the parking brake is. So you see right there, parking brake light comes on, push the button here, parking brake light goes off. So that's where your parking brake is located. If this video is helpful, you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.